Guys, what's up? I am Alpha Galaxy Wolf and I am here to make a video. I just need to turn my sound on. There we go. So, what's up guys? They still haven't given me back the notification. I made a very nice picture. If I go into one of the worlds, you'll be able to see it. But anyways, guys, I am Alpha Galaxy Wolf, and we are playing some more Animal Jam. I'm gonna go into the evil side of the world and collect some stuff. Oh, wait, it's not here yet. Pathetic. What? They're all spawning back. Oh well, I guess we just have to go back to our normal world, the overworld. Yeah, the overworld. That world is the underworld. And then the... actually, I think I got that wrong. But as most of you guys would probably be able to realize, it is Christmas and Animal Jam and Jamal. So now... Well, I've already gotten a whole bunch of things, and I got the best of things that I can possibly get. So, really, of course, I came onto the game early, but if I go into here, well, look what we can get, guys. We can get the Snowpunk collars and stuff again. Yay, they brought it back for the Christmas. I've gotten everything, and I've got 4, I think, collars. No, 5 collars. I'll show you. I have this one here, and that one. Where's the other one? Lost it. There it is. So, this one that I've just taken away was the original one that I had. Then I got this one, this one, this one. And then I got enough more to get this one. And I also have the entire set of armor on, which makes me look cool because I've got snowflakes falling down on me. And yeah. I was thinking once the Christmas is over and everyone wants them, I could like put them out for trade and probably get a double tail if that's possible. But I mean, so far it's kind of failed, and me being me, I don't understand how the game works that well. So I've had a few people tell me off for doing something that I didn't realize I wasn't able to do. So I'm kind of irritated by that. Oh yeah, and we got this, the masterpiece yesterday, and some things. That's what helped me get another one. Because I bought 100 and then I got some more from the chests and stuff. And then I got those 2 more from the advent calendar, which I haven't really been doing because I haven't been here for those first few days that those, I think 5 days, the first 5 days I wasn't here playing the game because I was playing another game, and I entirely forgot that there was the Christmas thing coming up. But I know now, so that makes it that I can do whatever. So let's just see if we can find some more stuff. Usually go into the shops each time I play to find whether there's any more like new stuff. As you guys will possibly remember, I like to collect the birthstones. I don't know why that one's broken. It looks like it's been dropped or something. So I'm just gonna do the sapphire one that I'm gonna get done for this. Where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. Okay, oh well. Also, there's a question mark up there. Hang on a second. What's this do? Nothing. Okay. Depressing. So, as everyone does know though, I'm trying to get up to 1 million views so I can get another 1 million gold plaque thing that I used to have this up for some things that I have now. I actually thought it was a good idea, but then someone told me, well, you should have kept it because you would have had something really cool. So I kind of disappointed myself by getting rid of it. Apparently having one of those means that you're actually pretty cool in those games. I didn't believe that, so I still sold it off to get a collar. And at that time it was like, I don't know, maybe I was like level 14 when I did that. I played games like 24/7 on here. What parties do we have? No, Penguin Party. Oh, a Jamala Day jam in 1 hour. I haven't seen that one before. So maybe you guys will get 2 videos. maybe. If so, I'm gonna go to my team. If so, then obviously the other one's gonna be when that the party comes out. The Jamala Day Jam one comes out, because I haven't been to that one yet. I'm pretty sure that wasn't there yesterday. Oh, as you can see, I've also got the like the background and stuff. This was the first one I got. This was the first thing I got, because it was the first I came back on here after a long time. Well, not exactly a long time, but like after like maybe a few weeks I hadn't been on here. I'm gonna take that gem and I'm gonna put something else. Gem. I'm gonna put it over here where all my lovely art is. I love this art, and also the art that someone traded to me, which was very nice of them, and it looks so cool. If you guys don't know what the picture is from, well, oh, actually, no, I already explained that last video, didn't I? I have no idea. I can't remember. I've changed so much. I just don't hear myself anymore. It's just like, ugh, where'd I go? Peekaboo, I'm right here. If you guys agree that I sound or seem different, well, just comment that down below if you want. Yeah. I've got all the stones here, the buff stones and stuff, and I'm gonna put this about here. Yeah. The frozen one. It's interesting. Why did I put the tiger bed down? Actually, you know what? We're gonna put the frozen fountain down here. Yeah. Right there. It's similar to the one that I just had that area. This, don't want that there anymore. Don't want this one here anymore either. And I'm gonna get some more of these because I love the color of it. And it kind of matches it since it's kind of like a wintry sort of place. Kind of wish I got the Jamala Day Christmas home. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Where should I put these fountains? You know what? I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so let's go to the home buying place. I haven't actually ever really been up here. The only time I was up here was like ages ago. Come on. Yay. Okay, let's see. So I know there's a new home. Pretty sure it's like a giant castle or something. Wait, hang on a second. Where's the nurse? Oh, here it is. Oh, the Jamala Day gift place? What? Massive. That is so big. Wow, I didn't realize it was that big. And you've got the other home here. It's the gingerbread house. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Okay, let's go. I just want to like swift through them. So you've got the Jamala Day and the gingerbread house. Which one should I get? You guys comment down below which one I should get. The Jamaladay or the Christmas house? Or should I get a castle? I don't know. If I get a castle, then there's going to be many things going wrong. I'm just kidding. Kind of feel like I should get like the Jamaladay one. Hang on a second, let's have a closer look. So it looks like, I don't know. It's pretty cool though. Very cool. And then we've got the gingerbread house. I could eat this for lunch. I don't know. Oh my gosh, would you stop? So we've got this and yeah. Oh well, I'm just gonna have to call it a video now. So that will be me out of here. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Alpha